Wow. Aquí tenemos, here it is, the party boat. Hello, good morning. How are you? All right? Okay. Aquí tenemos, this is the boat, party boat. You can hire, this is the only boat you can hire, and oops. Hello. Yes. This is the only boat for 20 people. Okay, you can go like until 30 people. Okay. Thank you. Hello. How are you? Good morning. And look at this. It's the only boat that we can have DJ on board. Okay. Look at this. Very nice for the people. And here we have the DJ today. Is DJ Donas.
Let's go, Paquito.
Yeah. Today we have the big party today. Yes. Okay. Very good, very good.